The sound you're listening to right now is actually coming from the Godox C01 Kit 2. Would you believe the sound of this microphone right here? I mean, like, the very first time I laid my hands on this microphone and I saw the name, I was like, Godox. What business does Godox have coming into sound? Godox is known for lights. They're good with lights. Stay in the realm of light, but no, they brought light to audio. I mean, even if you have a look at the interface, it looks like a lipstick. Let me show you guys. That's how beautiful it looks. It's so small, I could slip it right into my pocket, and just get moving. The design is so sleek. It pops out, and in there you have, 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Man, the sound is amazing. You know what? Let me get into the specs so you guys know just how great this microphone is. In the box, we have a manual, we have a USB-C cable, and then we have the microphone itself. Now, when you open it, you have to click it from the top. In there, you find 2 transmitters and 1 receiver in the charging case. Also, there are stickers, but for some weird reason, I don't know where I left my stickers. I think I got too excited when I was opening the box that I probably left it somewhere. All right, that's cool. Let's move on to the specs. The Godox C01 Kit 2 records at 24-bit 48 kilohertz, and it has a frequency response of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. It has a maximum SPL level of 115 decibels with a signal-to-noise ratio of 65 decibels. The pick-up pattern is actually omnidirectional. Now, in terms of distance, it has a wireless distance of 200 meters, but that has to be in line of sight. Now, the transmitters and the receiver together with charging case come to 49 grams. It's a simple plug and play design and has a built-in ALC, which is an automatic level control. And basically what that does is to stop the audio from distorting. Now let's speak about battery life. It takes just 1.5 hours to charge the entire case of the Godox wireless microphone. And then when it comes to usage, if only 1 transmitter is being used, you get 9 hours. In fact, you get 9 hours from each of the transmitters. But if only 1 person is using a transmitter, you get a total of 54 hours. But if 2 people are actually using both transmitters, you get 27 hours in terms of total amount of power that you get from the charging case. Setting up this wireless microphone is actually very simple. Once you bring it out of the case, just make sure it's fully charged before you bring it out. So you get yourself the receiver. Now, the receiver is not going to come on automatically until it's in your phone. So once you connect that to your phone, immediately it lights up. And then if you have a look at the transmitter, you see that they're paired almost immediately. I didn't have to pair this. They just pair automatically and you're just good. You're good to record. Then again, another creative way of actually using this microphone is to connect it to a recorder, right? Now, Godox didn't say this was possible, but because I love to experiment with audio, I always look for ways to use the gear in which the manufacturer did not say it could work. Now, what I have here is a Zoom P2. So basically what I did was to get myself an adapter because the receiver of the Godox C01 is only USB-C. So I got myself an adapter, right? And with the adapter, I was just able to connect both together. So it sort of looks like this. And then I connect that directly into the Zoom P2. And as you can tell, see, my audio is coming right in. So now I can record directly into the P2. I can get someone else, maybe if I'm having an interview or something, or a podcast, I can wear the second guest, the microphone, connect just one, but then be able to record 2 of us at the same time. So right now you can see the levels, and the levels are clean. It's not hot. It's not, distorting. So this is another creative way of using this microphone. Now, not all microphones are able to do this. But fortunately for this microphone, it was able to do this. So this is another creative way of actually using the microphone. Another creative way of using the Godox C01 Kit 2 wireless microphone is with action cams. Now I have two action cams here. I have the DJI Action 6 and I have the Insta360 GO Ultra. Now with the GO Ultra, it's actually pretty easy to use. All you have to do is get your receiver and just slip it into the side of the GO Ultra. Once you do that, it's very easy to use. It works easily, but it doesn't work that same way using the Action 6. Now, with the way the Action 6 is built, it's a bit difficult to use the receiver both without the cage and with the cage because it has a latch. Now, because of this latch, I can't insert the receiver into it. So if you intend using this on an action cam, just be sure that that action cam has enough space for the receiver to go in and you're good to go. Overall, I do think that the Godox C01 Kit 2 wireless microphone is a good microphone, and I think it's good for a number of people, content creators, podcasters, vloggers. I think it will find a good use in your kit, even though it's 24-bit 48 kilohertz. I think it's a fantastic device. Then in terms of pricing, as at today, it goes for about within $30 to $35, depending on where you're buying it from. So I think it's pretty affordable for the kind of sound that we're getting. And once again, Godox, fantastic job on this microphone right here. It is impressive that a company that is into lighting was able to do a fantastic job with audio. Kudos to you guys. And I'm gonna see you guys on next review, all right? Ciao.